The next enclosure is great for cats, small dogs, rabbits, and other small animals up to 25 pounds. This system also features doors that easily detach. This door features our rotating feeder bowls, which allow you to change food and water without going into the enclosure. Fixed retaining rings on the other side of the door prevent excitable animals from flipping over their food or water bowls and making a mess. There are 2 floor options here, solid bottom or perforated with pans underneath. Dog breeders love this pan idea for containing messy puppies before they learn to control themselves. The divider panel gives a lot of flexibility in this system. This one features a clear sliding perforated panel, which you can open that easily. And now you have access to both sides of the enclosure. Solid dividers are also available. These dividers come out completely, so now you have a double wide system for either a larger animal or pairs that are already bonded. This gives you flexibility and control over the layout of your caging system. Finally, this small animal system features a resting board. This resting board can flip up and out of the way and lock in that position, so now that you can easily capture animals. We make all of our systems only 26 inches deep so that most techs can go in and reach the back of the system. Finally, this entire tub can come out for easy and thorough cleaning. The tub is made from the same high-temperature polycarbonate material, which can withstand robust chemical cleaners and high temperatures up to 180 degrees. Check out our website at comfortkennelsplus.com, and if you have any direct questions, you can email us directly at sales@comfortkennelsplus.com. Thank you so much.